Zahra. 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 बोलो हाँ 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 बोलो हाँ बोलो आगू आगू नहीं आगू
No, fantastic track to back out. The sports spinners bowled really well, and that was a worry for us. Whether we could defend something like 160, on a fantastic track. But I thought the fast bowlers bowled really well. But the difference between the two sides was the batting. Later on how Andrew Russell and the other guy batted, and how we batted in the middle over.
ये क्या था?
Also the spinners bowling, to some extent, was slightly on the back.
नहीं
How many runs do you reckon you were short?
At least 15, 20. We got off to a good start, decent start. It went, we had to capitalize in the middle overs, but we kept losing wicket. We lost liner, then we lost par. It put a lot of pressure, not to forget, if the opposition has somebody like a Shiv Naran, it's not easy to score against him consistently, And he had 3 overs in the last 5 or 6. But still, we did good to reach 160.
Zahra.
One more question before I let you go. The change or non-change as a forward, Mohit Sharma and Ishwar Pandey landing at mid-on and then swapping it. What happened there?
I wanted Ishwar to go one more. Before that, I had Mohit. I told Mohit that he will go from this end, but in between, Ishwar was close to me. I said, he will go from this end. So it was his turn to go from this end. It was a mistake. The other way, but I thought it was Ishwar's responsibility to tell him what he's a senior one. I should have told Mohit that the captain has told me to go from this end.
Okay, well, bad luck for today. All the best for the rest of the tour. Okay, that's it from MS Dhoni, but here's a man who was quite happy, his smiling run tender starter, who's marshalled his side to victory, put a little help on. How'd you feel about that?
Yeah, obviously, I was wanting to start well in the competition.
Zahra बोल
Looked hard work, but the team had exceptional all round, obviously, particularly us, who's got a double line.
Your plan, what was it? You went in and the side was leading and it was tough from there.
So I just tried to watch the ball and hit it early on, and honestly,
Zahra. काशी से किया हाँ जबरदस्त आवाज है
खाते हो नहीं?
नहीं अच्छी है वो काशू से कर रही है अच्छी